Ride with me. Yeah, come 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 ride with me. It's that West Coast feeling, got you feeling that I'ma come through, best believe I'm on the map. If these niggas wanna get it, best believe they get it, man. If these niggas wanna get it, best believe they get it, man. I told them all before, but now they gon' feel me. I don't play no games, cause I never fear a nigga. I'm coming through, best believe I will deliver like Domino's Pizza. Yo, when it come through, yo, I'm coming to your front door. Niggas can't understand, my nigga, just keep it raw. I got it like that, nigga, I take it right back to the motherfucking counter, tell them that it made it raw. And if these niggas wanna get it, they get it, man. With the 4-5 pointing to their dome, man. And I don't wanna save them, I save a hoe, but I'ma come through, nigga, gotta take them all. Like me against the world, Tupac, niggas can't understand, my nigga, what will get you shot? I'm coming through, my nigga, just like Photoshop. Yo, look at me, nigga, this the Photoshop. I gotta get my nigga on the dotted line, till I can't breathe again, till I'm out of grind, till I'm at a standstill. I gotta grind, I gotta make it, nigga. Will you ride with me? 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 Yo, I'm coming back on them, nigga, cause I ain't got no motherfucking parents in this world, man. It's like they was never there, man. I had to go through this shit alone, and I'm be speaking through the microphone, but I'm killing this shit, nigga. I'm ripping this shit, cause all these niggas talking bullshit like I ain't the shit, but I know I'll be the shit, nigga, on the fucking top. Yo, I'm gon' reach it and the spot is mine. I'm taking it, nigga. I gotta grind till I get where I need to be, nigga. That's my intentions. Yo, I gotta stay with this until I finish. Yo, I gotta be a witness till my own success. Y'all niggas can't understand. My story's powerful than the rest. I gotta do this. Protect your neck, guillotine, nigga. I'm coming at your neck. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. You're next.